Hello everyone. So continue the previous session and we'll starting with the program number 3. And previous session we have covered one program on a name, how to input a name and display it, a simple program. And then we covered a looping statement. A looping statement is very important for the programming where we have to understand a looping statement for sure so that we have so many programs are dependent on looping. So basic fundamentals we covered, and then conditional statements like, selection statements we covered. So, and now looping statements. Looping statements will play a major role on programming. Okay. So let us jump on to the programming using loop, for loop. Okay. For loop syntax and example I explained in previous session. Now we will be covering some of the programs using looping statements. Possibly, I'll take a 10 to 15 minute session. So if we are able to cover 1 to 3 programs, maybe we'll cover in this. Okay. So let us start. So question is, write a program to display first 100 natural numbers. Simple. We are not going to take any input here. We will just display 100 natural numbers. So no scanner class is needed. Okay. So I shared already the screen, and let me navigate back to the notepad so I can explain you by writing the details. Okay, so program number 3. I hope the screen is changed and it is there in front of you. The question is, as I showed you, write a program to print first 100 natural numbers. So this is a class name. As usual, we don't need import because we are not going to accept. In the sense, no input is needed for this program. Okay. Now, function. So function is there in this. This is a looping statement. What looping statement is? So a variable. First, I equals to 1. So we are initialized. So there are 3 things supposed to be in the loop, as I said: initialization, condition, increment or decrement. Okay. For int I equals to 1. So we gave I equals to 1 first, and immediately it is checking. Is I less than or equal to 100? True or false? This is a questioning. Condition means it's a questioning. True or false? So what's happening? If I equal to 1, is I equal to 1? Is that less than or equal to 100? Yes. So it is taking entry. So we did not give any block here. In the sense, one statement whenever you are going to give, we don't need. But if you wanted to give, that's up to you. That's an optional. You can give in this way, or you can give one statement directly under it, under file. So that's also fine. It has taken entry and printing I. I is printed 1. Okay. Now, as soon as it is printed, it is going to touch this particular closing block. When it is closing block, it is being touched, then it is going to iteration directly. Initialization happen only once. It is not going to touch again and again. So as soon as here it is coming, it is going to iteration. So iteration what? Now I plus plus. Now I plus plus. So I was 1, it's less than or equal to 100, entered in, printed 1, and coming back to I plus plus. I plus plus means now I becomes 2. Plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So after I became 2, it is checking condition. Is that less than or equal to 100? Yes. Now printing 2. Now plus plus, it is becoming 3. Less than 100, printing 3. Next, plus plus, it becomes 4. Now less than 100, yes, printing 4. Now plus 1, 5. Print less than 100, yes. So plus 1, less than 100. Plus 5, less than 100. 6, less than 100. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Because we are given plus 1. Plus 1 means 1 increment is going to happen. Okay. So now it is going on, 90, 91, 92. It is going on 90, 98, and 99. Also less than 100. Now it becomes 100. Is less than 100? No, it is becoming equal to 100. It is equal to 100. I less than or equal to 100 we gave. Yes, it's equal to 100. 100 also is going to be printed. After 100 plus 1, it is equal to 1, 101. So 101. 101 less than 100? No. 101 equal to 100? No. It is coming out of the loop. There is no condition satisfies, it is coming out of the loop. So how many times this loop is repeated? 100 times it is repeated to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 until 100. Okay. So this is a looping statement we use in this way. So not only to print 100 numbers, it is being used multiple. Suppose I want to print my name 100 times. Simple. Instead of I will keep my name here, Anwar. Okay. That's all. It is going to repeat 100 times. It is going to print 100 times my name. Okay. However you wanted, you can use it. Okay. So this is the example of printing 100 natural numbers. Let me share my screen to online compiler. Okay. So I'll be sharing the screen to online compiler. Yes, this is the one where we will take that program here. So this is the one. I'll be sorry. I think I navigated back to Notepad again. I'll be navigating to online Java compiler. Yes, I navigated to online Java compiler. I think so. Yes. Okay. Now I'll be copy pasting that program here, and I'll be removing this explanation task, and I'll keep only the program lines to execute and show you. So see here, class name, method name, and looping is given 100 times. It is going to be closed. Method here and natural numbers object is there. So I'll execute it. Okay. So you see here, output is printing numbers from 1 to 100. Okay. So this way. So you wanted to print in column by system.out.print you give, and after printing, you can give some space here, then it will go to print column wise. Okay, see, it is printed column wise like this. Okay. Print, println difference is that println means it is going to print line wise, and print in the sense it is going to print column wise. By keeping just a space, we have given explicitly over there. So I'll explain you again here, main method. You know that we wrote the function, normal function here, and we closed it. And public static void main method is there. It is going to create the object and invoke that particular function using this object. It will show execution part. Okay. If it is not there, we will not be able to execute the program. Okay. So this is about on natural numbers program. Similarly, we will start one more question to similar kind of program I'll explain you. That is, let me navigate to Notepad. Okay. So I hope you can see the screen changed. So program number 3 over. Now we are jumping on to the program number 4. That is on even number. So even number. So write a program to display first 50 even numbers. So even number, 2, 4, 6. So these are the even numbers. So class name, method name, even numbers, loop is given. So what is the change between natural numbers and this one is, I will show it to you. Suppose natural numbers, what we did, we started with 1 and until 100 we took. Plus 1 we made. But here we gave 2, I equals to 2. Then is that less than or equal to 100? Yes, printing it. Printing. Now I equals to I plus 2 means I plus equal to 2. I is already 2 we have. Now plus 2, it becomes 4. Okay. Is that less than or equal to 100? Yes, printing 4. Now plus 2, 6. Now plus 2, 8. Like that it is going. Now we are making not plus 1, plus 2. So what happens? It is going on adding 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 like that, and until 100. So 100. When it becomes 100, then is it less than 100? No, it is equal to 100. Yes, 100 also will be printing because condition is true. Now after 100, it becomes 1 or 2. Is that less than or equal to 100? No, no, it is not less than 100. It is not equal to 100. Instead, it's coming out. So printing even numbers will be in this way. Okay. So let me take this program's copy and navigate to the executing window and show it to you practically over there. So I shared online Java compiler screen, and I'm copying and pasting that even numbers program here. That is class even numbers, method name and a loop is given from 2 to 100 by incrementally 2. Okay. So incrementally 2 means now first I is 2, now 4, 6. So we wanted only even numbers. So this main method is as usual. There's no change in it. Now let me run it. Yes, you can see here output screen 2, 4, 6 like that. It is going until 100. So let me print using print ln not print option. So I'll be printing in column wise. Let me run it. So what's happening, the entire output you could see in column wise 2, 4, 6, 10, 8 like that until 100. So from 2 to 100, 2 to 100 even numbers we printed. Similarly, odd numbers. Odd numbers are also very easy, simple. What you will need to do is, see, odd numbers also I will just change and update here as program number 5. 5 also I'll cover. Okay, that is on odd numbers. I don't want to waste your time, so that within 15 minutes, 3 programs we are covered. Okay, let me navigate back to Notepad. So I'll be changing odd numbers. Okay, that question also we have here. So see here, write a program to display first 50 odd numbers. Odd numbers, what we did? 1 to 100. So we started even numbers from 2. Now odd numbers starting with 1. 1, 3, 5, like that we go. Simple change. Nothing difficult here. Okay, same program. I don't need to copy the paste program here. I'll be just navigating back to the online Java compiler screen. So see here. So online Java compiler screen, what we do is odd numbers. We don't need to change the class name. Just for reference only, we are changing it. So instead of 2, we change it to 1 and I less than 100. I plus equal to 2. That's all. Nothing. So we are starting 1 and plus 2, 3. Oh, what happens is I change the class name, right? I need to change even in here in main method also. That's the different. So that and this must match. Otherwise, it is going to throw an error. So now I rectified here. And see, programming skills is let us get the errors, but we have to rectify them and go on executing. It is as is pasting and keeping here, understanding levels will be very low. So let us rectify the errors. That will be easy understand and easy compiling process will be there. See, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 until 99. So this is on odd numbers. So we covered 3 programs today. One is natural numbers, second one is even numbers, third one is odd numbers. So 3 programs we covered in one session. So which contains maximum 15 minutes of time. Just you watch the video and like, share and subscribe. Okay. Those who are learning Java scratch, from student level, whatever the standard may be there. They may be in schooling, or they may be in colleging like BTech or BSc or whoever programming skills can improve easily. Okay. So thank you for watching the video. You all please share, like and subscribe. Thank you all. And 3 programs we covered and some more programs we will cover in the next session. Okay. Have a good day to you all. Thank you for your time.